much of the information. But since all of the teachers have an urgent meeting, who wants to volunteer to do this report? Anyone? Okay. Miss Aya. Miss Concepcion. Since you're not paying attention in my class, you're going to do this report. Seriously? Yes. It is your punishment because you're not paying attention in my class. You don't have a choice. Okay, class dismissed.
Nung nakaraan natin yun, grabe wala akong puno pag umagaw, ipapasok na naman, wala naman puno.
It's already 10. Look at yourself. You can't even change your clothes. So what? Are you not going to sleep? Don't you have any homework, huh? Shucks.
Where am I? Oh my god, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Is that the way they communicate in this time? What is he doing? Why is he carving in the clay? Wait, I think I am in the era where phone or computer doesn't even exist. Aya? 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 Aya?
Aya?
Aya?
Aya?
Aya?
Aya?
Aya?
You'll be late. You have to go to school.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmates. So now, I will discuss the pre-mechanical period.
So, what is pre-mechanical period? Pre-mechanical period refers to a time in history before the development and widespread use of machines and mechanical devices. It is a period that predates the Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century. During the pre-mechanical period, human labor and simple tools were the primary means of carrying out tasks and performing work. People relied on their physical strength and ingenuity to accomplish various tasks such as agriculture, construction, transportation, and even communication. It was a time when people relied on nonverbal communication such as body language and gesture, as well as oral communication such as storytelling and spoken language. Clay tablets, cave painting, papyrus, petroglyph, Phoenician alphabet, ancient abacus are the system period of writing in pre-mechanical period.
And that's all, everyone. And I hope you fully understand the pre